So guys, today we have this LeetCode medium level question, single element in a sorted array, and this question has been asked in these companies, Amazon, Microsoft and Nvidia. And for this particular question, we will be learning 4 different approaches. So make sure to watch the reel till the end, because the last approach is definitely going to blow your mind. The question says that we are given a sorted array in which every element is appearing twice, except one element that is appearing only once. And our task is to find that element. Now coming to the fourth approach, that is going to be the most optimized approach for this particular solution, because it is mentioned that we need to do it in log n time complexity and without using any extra space. We will be taking the start pointer here, end pointer here, and you need to notice one thing. This is the single element, right? All the elements to the left side of it and all the elements to the right side of it will form an index pattern. Okay, now you will see this is an even index, this is an odd index, but on the right side. So what we will do, first we will calculate the mid. We will check, is the mid element a single element? If yes, then that condition is true. We will simply return that mid element. But if that condition becomes false, then in that scenario we need to narrow down the search space, and for that we will use this observation. If this index is even, then I will check this element with the next element. If these two conditions are true, then I know that I am on the left hand side. So I will shift the start pointer to mid plus 1. Second condition that can also make sure that I am on the left hand side is if, for example, if I am lying on the odd index. If this is an odd index and the element at this odd index is equal to the previous element, then in that case also I can confirm that I am on the left hand side. So for these conditions I will shift the start pointer to mid plus 1. If I am on the right hand side but I don't know that I am on the right hand side, so how will I figure out? Index is odd, I will check this element with the next element. But in the left hand side case, I was checking the next element when I am at the even index, right? When I am at the even index, in that case I will be checking the next element. But on the right side, when I am at the odd index, I will be checking the next element, right? And here, when I was at the odd index, I will be checking the previous element. But here, when I am at the even index, I will be checking the previous element. So both the sides are opposite. So we have done the same thing in the code. First, we handle the edge cases. If there is only single element, then we are returning that. Then we are handling the first and last element manually. And then we started implementing the binary search. We calculated the mid. We checked if this mid is not equal to mid minus 1 and not equal to mid plus 1, then in that case this mid is going to be the answer. We will simply return that. But if this condition becomes false, then we need to narrow down the search space. So what I will do, I will check if this mid index is an even index, then in that case the element at the mid index should be equal to the element at the mid plus 1 index, right? If I am on the left hand side and the index is even, then I will check that element with the next element, right? The same thing we have done here. So this condition will make sure that I am on the left hand side. Now there is one more condition that can make sure that I am on the left hand side, which is if, for example, my index is odd. So in that case, I will check with the previous element. So both these two conditions will make sure that I am on the left hand side. So if I am on the left hand side, I will shift the start pointer to mid plus 1. And if this condition becomes false, then definitely I am on the right hand side. So in that scenario, I will shift the end pointer to mid minus 1. So that's it for today. Share this reel with your friend who are learning DSA, and I will see you in the next video with another DSA concept.